Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and I do cleaning motivation on my channel, so if that's something that you like, make sure you stick around and subscribe for new content just like this. As you saw by the title, I'm doing a power hour today. If y'all don't know what a power hour is, you put the timer on for 1 hour, make a list of the stuff that you want to get done around the house, and just go. No distractions, no phone calls, no TV breaks, no snacks, just get as much done as you can in 1 hour. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I know that you guys like these types of videos, so I hope you enjoyed today's. Let's just go get started. I'm gonna show you what we're going to be tidying up today. Also, I'm not really sure. I tried to do like one of those cute buns that girls do, but it kind of turned into like a Pebbles Flintstone type of situation. So anyway, let me show you my list. Okay, so here's what we're going to be doing today for the power hour. I need to tidy up my bedroom. I haven't made my bed yet. Just some stuff on the floor that I need to put away. I need to unpack my suitcase from a trip that I took last weekend. I still haven't unpacked that suitcase. I hate unpacking. I need to put away some clean clothes. I've been doing laundry like it's nobody's business these past few days, so I have quite a few baskets of laundry to put away. I want to vacuum. I want to wash the floors, unload the dishwasher, and clean my countertops. So I'm going to put an hour on the clock. I hope you guys stick around for some cleaning motivation. Enjoy this video, and let's get started.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. Pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
cozy. So I just moved my suitcase and ew, look at all this dust. This is disgusting. So there's quite a bit of dust on this floor. I noticed with the darker laminate, it definitely shows up a lot faster, but I probably haven't vacuumed maybe in like a week, if that, but I like kind of am grossed out. So I'm gonna get my vacuum going. You guys know that the girls always really enjoy when I vacuum. They'll be going after this. So anyway, here we go.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Like for them just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Like for them just a time, just like another season.
Okay, so I just vacuumed my bedroom, you guys saw. Look how much dust was in my bedroom. This was completely empty when I started. Isn't that disgusting? I can't believe that. I think I vacuumed maybe like a week ago. I think I said that in one of my clips. Like, ew, I'm just like kind of shocked. I did go behind the nightstand tables and I went behind my mirror. So there was like a lot of dust behind there because I don't do that every single week, but oh my God, this is so gross. All right, we're gonna clean the floors now. I'm gonna be using this Method Squirt and Mop. I don't know if that's focusing. Yeah, I love this stuff, obviously, because I'm almost out of it. So yeah, my bedroom is taking a lot longer to clean than I initially thought, but it feels so good. So I'll give you guys a quick overview right after I'm done cleaning the floors.
Baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane.
Okay, so here's the overview. My bedroom is all nice and clean. We got Rosie right here. I'm so happy that I finally went behind my dressers or my nightstand tables and got that dust out of there. Like you saw, that was like super gross. So anyway, bedroom is nice and clean, so let's move on to the kitchen, and we're about ready to wrap up this power hour.
And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems. I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.
Alright guys, I just wrapped up. I hope you guys enjoyed this power hour. If you did, make sure you like this video. Consider subscribing if you like content like this, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!
No, I just wanna be